Here's a little tip that could save you a lot of money and a lot of frustration. Most people assume that when you buy a brand new wheel bearing, it's packed full of grease and ready to go. Unfortunately, that's often not the case. I've had bearings fail after just a couple of months, even genuine ones, so I decided to find out why. The first thing you need to do is carefully remove the rubber seal. A small pick or a fine screwdriver works well, but take your time because you don't want to damage it. Once the seal is off, have a look inside. You can see there is only a tiny amount of grease in there. Sometimes they're almost dry. That's fine for the factory, but if you're riding dirt bikes through water, mud and dust, it's nowhere near enough. I simply work a good quality waterproof bearing grease right into all the balls until the bearing is properly packed. Then press the seal back into place. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it can make a huge difference to bearing life. I first discovered this on my own car. I replaced the rear wheel bearings, and just 3 months later they failed. Before fitting the replacements, I popped the seals off and found hardly any grease inside. I packed them properly, fitted them, and those same bearings are still running perfectly more than 4 years later. I started doing exactly the same thing with the dirt bikes here at Dirt Bike Holidays. Before, wheel bearings were lasting maybe 2 months. Now they're typically lasting around 18 months, even though our bikes are ridden off-road almost every day.